put your hands together for this aptly dynamic performers, Unit 09 on the stage. Everyone, please make some noise for them.
저 잠깐만 할 얘기 있어요. We're not a team. This is a competition. 이거는 one. It's every man for themselves. Anyways, listen. Now in this game, I'm the motherfucking top dog. I'm the CEO. 나머지 애들은 다 병풍. I keep us classy, but I slap if I have to. I come and go like a bad storm, take a rain check. Everybody going down. Mayday, mayday. Getting thirsty when it's payday, A-day. I ling.
To Unit 09 for that electrifying performance. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for Unit 09.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, please bear with us for just a while they're tallying up the marks. We shall be back with you very soon with the top 10 finalist announcement.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now ready with the subtitle winners, top 10.
Yes, in just a very short while, we shall announce the subtitle winners as well as the top 10 finalists.
장담나바 하이브스디 아까바 마이티바 아두막 사룩 나타니도나 라카도리바 호지키 라운드스데기디 kanagumbagi thamoy kaiba kanagumbagi wakhal ninghanaba thokpa yai adu magpu mangjauna madugumbadu tawbiganu isamak masigi stage sida saru yaba phangba haisimak achouba mai pakpa achouba achievement ni haibisma lobiraga kaigumba dishearten tawba adugumba puning thabagi wakhan tawbiganu haidana mangjauna nai contestants sinda lauthukjabani haijage.
Yes, now to give away the subtitle awards, we shall welcome back all our contestants on the stage.
Put your hands together for the contestants of Miss Manipur 2019 back on the stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, here are your 16 gorgeous ladies of Miss Manipur 2019 once again. We shall give away the subtitles first. We shall begin with Miss Talented. Miss Talented goes to contestant number 13, Serena Naurem. next subtitle for Miss Best Body goes to contestant number 8, Sabrina Moirang Tame.
Miss Best Body sponsored to Wirapa Ship Fit 7 Clan Gay Representative Asha Kiran Abutang Hana stage sa connected pirakani.
Next subtitle is Congeniality. Miss Congeniality goes to contestant number 6, Sing Sing Bonmay.
And please welcome Vishal Urikingbam from Advanced Public School to give away the subtitle of Miss Congeniality.
Next we have Miss Beautiful Hair. And Miss Beautiful Hair goes to contestant number 12, Langley Janu Elango.
May I invite Daisy Kundongbam, the Silent Salon Spa, to give away the subtitle of Miss Beautiful Hair.
Next subtitle for Miss Beautiful Skin goes to contestant number 16, Dolina Tokchon.
Please welcome on stage a representative from Soulmate to give away the subtitle of Beautiful Skin. Soulmate ki representative, mihura matang stage na nakat pirakani.
Next we have Miss Best Discipline. And the subtitle goes to contestant number 9, Lumgai Liu Panmei.
May I invite Buona Kangumom to give away the subtitle of Miss Best Discipline.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the last and final subtitle for Miss Manipur 2019, the best catwalk goes to contestant number 1, Sanasam Yangyang Chanu.
And to give away the subtitle, may I invite Christina from Leona Nails and Lashes.
Here are your final 11 for Miss Manipur 2019.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got one extra because of the tie in the tally. Tara laukat kadamani anda mupu contestant anigi marakta chap manaba tally mark phangmana maram oraga. We have 11 finalists, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations to all the gorgeous ladies, and once again, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for the top 11 finalists.
Yes, in random order, Dolina Tokchom, A.R. Mateng, Ilangdom Langlin Chanu, Aliliu Daime, Ringzoy Levon Lamkong, Serena Narem, Maria Chanu Pangambum, Marlin Ningwonting, Moirang Tim Saprina, Jessica Nehoiting Chonglo, and Sing Sing Panmei.
Thank you.
Some of you seem pretty nervous. Don't be, relax.
All right, so contestant number 3, please come up here. Pick an envelope from here. All right, this is the rule. We are not going to ask any question by our jury. The question is already preset here. They will be opening the envelope and get the question read out for you.
Yes, contestant number 3 has picked up a question. The question that says, tell us something that women can learn from men. I repeat, tell us something that women can learn from men.
Good evening once again to my dear judges and everyone present here. Thank you very much for the question. As we all know, nobody is perfect in this life. And I think men are incomplete without women. And women should learn that from men, that women too are incomplete without men. And I think we both go hand in hand. That is that one thing I would like women to learn from men. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Next, can I have contestant number 16, Dolina Tokchom?
Okay, so Dolina, here is your question. According to you, what is success?
Thank you for the question. Good evening, judges, once again, and everyone present here. My answer is that akoina success haibase akoina pamiba pandam maduda akoina hotnaba leptana kayarak fail oirabaso akoina hotnaba leptana hanjan adum aigi pamiba pandam da yautribaw struggle mayam lereshu aina hanba leitana hotnaraga aigi pandam da phangaba matam da success haibado oini khanjai aina aigi pandam da phangaba matam da ingoda pen thokpa ingoda satisfy oiraba amadi aina pamiba pandam adu ingonda ningba thunge khanba matam da kano phangakpa ingoda nungai adusu success am khalamani hain haijage. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dolina Tokchom. Next, can I have contestant number 12, Ilangbom Langlin Chanu? Your question is, what is the greatest gift you can give to someone? I repeat the question for you. What is the greatest gift you can give to someone?
Thank you, sir, for the beautiful question. And I'd like to answer my question in Manipuri. Aina kanagumba misak amada gift oina piba matamda khwaidagi mamal yamba gift hai taragadi aigi smile amadi aigi nungshiwa haibadi love to ni haijaningi maramdi kanagumba misak amana miyoiba ma oiba matamda awa nungai khudimak loinamak mayoknagani maduda nungaitana leiriba misak amada aigi smile aigi nungsibado aina utpa aina piba taragadi masuk soidana aigumna soidamaki nungaigani amasung magi thamoida nungaitana leirambado asuki matik mag nungaigani amasung magi thamoidasu nungsibatana thangani maramasina aina kanagumba amada khwaidagi chawba gift ama pi taragadi nungsiba amasung aigi minoksini. Thank you so much.
Next, can we have Alalu Daive, contestant number 7?
Right, so Ms. Taime, your question is, as a youth, what role do you play in the society? As a youth, what role do you play in the society?
Thank you for the questions and good evening once again. As a youth, I play a very important role in deciding the changes in the society. My thoughts and idea now will be work later. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Next, can we have contestant number 11, Ringjoy Lavon Lamkong? the question is, what are the three things that comes to your mind when you think of Miss Manipur? What are the three things that comes to your mind when you think of Miss Manipur?
Good evening, everyone, once again, and thank you so much for that beautiful question. The three things that come to my mind when I heard of the word Miss Manipur, the first thing is achievement. That yes, if you have the power, the hard work, and the determination, you will always succeed in your life. Second is the vision. I believe in the vision that the title meant so much to me that I will work hard for the betterment of my society. Three is responsibility. As a woman, I should stand up for all the women out there and be the ambassador to show to the whole world, rather the state, the beauty of my people and the beauty of my state, Manipur. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ringzoy Levon Lamkong. Next we have contestant number 13, Serena Naurim.
Alright, so Serena, your question is, what is something valuable you have learned from your family? What is something valuable you have learned from your family?
A very good a very good evening to my respected judges and everyone present here. The valuable thing that I have learned from my family is the bonding of the big family. I came from the big family. I born in a big family, so I can learn that the love, the bonding, the sacrifice of each other between the siblings, between the parents and all. That is what I learned from my family. The sacrifice, the love, and the good bonding. Thank you so much again.
Thank you very much. Can we have contestant number 4, Maria Chanu Pangamba? Your question is, what has been the biggest disappointment in your life? Let me repeat for you. What has been the biggest disappointment in your life?
Thank you for the question. And once again, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's a very delightful evening. I have an inability to say no in my higher secondary school age. Because of that, I face a lot of challenges in that age, being surrounded by my classmates and bullied by them. Because of that, I want to give up my life, but I did not. I elevated, I gather up all my broken pieces and work more harder with full dedication to be able to prove enough that I will because I can. And what I have faced in life, everything good or bad, I have learned something from it. Because of that, today I'm here standing on the stage advocating about the cause in front of all of you. And there is nothing disappointment in my life because everything I face, I learned something from it. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Maria Chanu Pangambam. Next we have contestant number 5, Marlene Ning Wonsing.
Right, so contestant number 5, your question is, who is the perfect person for you? Give reason. Who is the perfect person for you? Give reason.
Thank you so much for the question. A very good evening once again, everyone. We usually say that nobody's perfect, but I think that is an appropriate press for me, because to me, we humans are the finest creation on earth, and we are the most beautiful, and we are beautiful in our own unique flaws. But the perfect words suits a mother the most, because a mother has the love and the sacrifices, the care for one children, and I think that love we cannot find in anyone else but a mother. So a mother suit, the perfect person according to me. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Next we have Moyang Team Sabrina, contestant number 8. Yes, Sabrina, your question is, what would be your contribution to the society if you win Miss Manipur tonight? Let me repeat the question for you. What would be your contribution to the society if you win Miss Manipur tonight?
Thank you for the question. Once again, a very good evening. My answer would be, when I was a little girl, I watched Peasant on TV, and I always wanted to be a title holder or something. And it would be a great pleasure for me to win this title of Miss Manipur. And the greatest contributions that I can give to a society, to the people, would be, I will use my voice as my strength to encourage the peoples to come forward, to give their uniqueness and show their uniqueness in front of numbers of people. And if they want to change something in this world, they can give their opinion by using this platform. And I believe I can be the voice of many unheard voices. That would be my greatest contribution. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Sabrina. Next we have contestant number 14, Jessica Ning Hoi Ching Chongloi.
Okay, contestant number 14, here is a question. How will you empower another woman? How will you empower another woman?
Thank you so much for the question. Well, we can empower women in many ways. But personally, I can empower women mainly by sharing my story. How I stood up for myself, believing that I'm one individual who is being created perfectly, who can stand up for oneself. In empowerment, no matter how people support you or encourage you to empower yourself, if you don't take up a step, you'll never empower. So start realizing your capabilities and your abilities, believing that you are one individual being created perfectly. By saying this, I can share and I can help others women to be empowered. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Next we have contestant number 6, Sing Sing Ponme. Yes, your question is, what is the one thing you learned from the journey of Miss Manipur 2019. Let me repeat for you. What is the one thing you learned from the journey of Miss Manipur 2019?
Thank you for the question. To me, the journey of Miss Manipur 2019, from day one of audition till today, has been an experience full of learning and joy. Days spent with my beautiful co-contestants and my teacher have taught me so much. And if I have to mention one thing, I would say it teaches me to find strength either in failure or success. And this one thing I learned from this journey of Miss Manipur 2019 will play an important part in my entire lifetime. Thank you.
That was indeed very, very stressful part of this journey, I think. Especially for those wonderful ladies, they must be,
Yes, it
stressed out. But I believe they have given a very, very perfect answer to all the questions, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm sure they have. It's all on the judges to decide the fate of this 11 finalists who will be moving forward to final 5.
ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯖꯔꯤ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯗꯪ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯜ ꯇꯝꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯁꯣꯏ ꯉꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯁꯨ ꯉꯥꯛꯄꯤꯒꯅꯤ. Okay, my first number is from Manipuri animation film Kabui Kauriba. Sakti Paiba Mioiba Sakti Magi Napal Apapatta Kaglagde Aki Tuzung Layragde Sagali Chatalegi Saole Taipsa Saole Taipsa Hey Saole Taipsa Hui Saole Taipsa Ole Ole Saole Sakti Paiba
Nungsiba tambiriba Nagtotraba sakdamning nahagi Nukliba Minong dem Kamaw na halaibu Mafam kanda Aibu Nungsiba tambiriba Nagtotraba sakdamning nahagi Nukliba I still love you, baby. Suklusibin na hanggang aduklarigi latroble. Suklusibin na hanggang aduklarigi latroble. Laklo pa mo binasibi, paglaro natin na sini. Laklo pa mo binasibi, kolagyan ang kong nasini. Sa higi ang laba pamopsin. Ay bu, nung siba ng biriba, luntog na basag ng hinahangin. Nung liba, minote, kangaw na hali ay humafamkanda. Ay bu, nung siba ng biriba, luntog na basag ng hinahangin. Nung liba, minote, kangaw na hali ay humafamkanda. Asin pa ay hingsuloy kare, tuklam mo tayo suhod sa kare. Asin po ay hingsuloy kare, tuklam mo tayo suhod sa kare. Adubo, tado na layhore, nakonsida paubin ang kiwahisi. Paubin ang kiwahisi. Paubin ang kiwahisi. Paubin ang kiwahisi. I love you, I love you. Yeah, yeah. Yay, pare! Thank you, thank you.